I'll call her later. She always called at the wrong time.
My daughter, I just wanted to hear your voice. You haven't called in a while.
If you're interested to create such amazing videos, you are at the right place. So it's your girl here, Sheila's Tech Tips, and I'm here to show you a step-to-step tutorial on how I'm going to generate a short film, a short story using AI images. Yes guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you two tools that I use to generate images and another one that I use to create a voiceover and to keep the images on motion. Yes, if that sounds interesting for you and you create videos, you create African folktale videos, if that sounds interesting for you, you are at the right place. So stay tuned as we dive into the video. So guys, to generate the images we are going to use Google Studio AI. That is what we are going to use to generate our images. So head on to Google, then you type in Google Studio AI. There you click on the first link, Google AI Studio. You click on it, then it will show you something like this. Once you get here on this page, you go to Imagine for. When you get there, when you click there, you're going to aspect ratio and select 16:9. That is YouTube aspect ratio. And also let's head on to the number of results that we want to generate. Okay guys, now let us describe the image that we want to generate. I had a prompt which I'm going to paste it here. So down there we can see describe your image. You paste the prompt that you want the AI to generate. There it's mine, so I'm going to click on run so that it can generate the images. So let's give it some time as it is generating those images. As you can see guys, we have several images here, and actually I love this, so I'm going to select on it and then download it and then save. Yeah, so there are several images out there, so yeah. So another tool we are going to use is Grok. Click on Grok, so it will give you a page like this. Click on image. Down there we have an image icon. Select on it, then upload the image that you want to transform into a video. Yeah, so as you can see, it automatically generates the video. Yeah, once it's generating, you can describe your video how you want it to be. So as for me, I'm going to describe my video like I always start with describe with motion, and we put into brackets worried. Yeah, that's the way I'm going to put it. So I'm going to write what I want the image to speak. Yeah, so as you can see, it has already generated the video, the motion of the image. Yeah, as you can see, it seems good. It seems good, but I'm going to put her saying my mom just called. What could be the problem? That's what I'm going to write. So let's see. So as we are giving it time to generate the video, so let's give it some time as it is generating. There you go.
But my mom just called.
So let us generate a short story.
I'll call her later. She always called at the wrong time. Just wanted to hear your voice. You haven't called in a while. I made your favorite pilau today. I miss you. This can't be happening. What am I gonna do?
I wish my daughter would have picked my call.
Mommy! Mommy! Mommy, are you okay? The story reminds us that no matter how busy life gets, the people who love us deserve our attention.
It is that simple, guys. So using these tools, you'll be able to generate beautiful images which are seamless, which are clear, and you're going to create amazing stories for your audience, for your YouTube, for your reels. You're going to create amazing videos. Yes, guys, so thank you so much for clicking in to watch my video. Continue supporting me, let's continue learning, let's continue growing together on YouTube.